If we don't have security, we have nothing. Nothing. So together, VMware and Dell Technologies give you a platform that will allow you to grow into this multi-cloud world and collaborate with global cloud providers. So we have a comprehensive portfolio of validated and tailored solutions that are designed to support your multi-cloud strategy, including telco cloud, 5G, IoT, and edge services. That's where it all sits. And this spans 5 various clouds: private, public, telco, hybrid, edge, all the above. So we want to give enterprises and service providers choice so they can give any app anywhere to any device. That's what we're doing. And one single abstraction layer is what we give. This bridges these clouds together. Right? So as part of this strategy, virtualized network functions and other workloads, they can all be deployed to secure data while optimizing traffic flows. That's what we help you do. And make no mistake, the need for strong security throughout this multi-cloud platform, you're going to need it more and more. It's going to be more essential in the future. All right, so we have solutions that will only allow secure devices and validated users to access applications and content from any cloud anywhere in your network. So in the next couple minutes here, I'm going to focus on these 3 main areas. First, we're going to start here, how essential it is for communication service providers to have a comprehensive solution. Then we want to show how our solutions are already being deployed, already validated by some of the largest CSPs in the world. And finally, we'll explore the ways that we can tailor these solutions to be exactly the way you need them to be and accelerate your multi-cloud strategy and your journey to 5G, IoT, the edge, and beyond. Now, the multi-cloud world, it's already here. We've already arrived. Now, CSPs, if they want to compete successfully in this world, we have to move towards cloudification immediately, right away, especially the telco cloud. That means acceleration. You need to scale up and down. You need to cater to all environments, moving seamlessly from the edge to the core, to the cloud, to the enterprise itself, and then out to the end user of devices. And you know what? No one can help you do this like VMware plus Dell Technologies. We are better together. I cannot say that enough. So we deliver an open platform, core to edge, multiple clouds, on-prem, to end users and their digital workspaces as well. Now, as you move from 4G to 5G, you can scale horizontally across one unified converged infrastructure that is better suited to telcos. So look at this. We can deliver one of the industry's most comprehensive full stack portfolios of products, services, and integrations with vertically integrated solutions across clouds. That's what we do. And we support it with carrier-grade global support. We have your back. And we've created an integration between Dell Technologies and VMware that is open, and it's greater than the sum of our parts because we're better together. It's a family. We take the strengths of both companies to give you valuable solutions so you have faster time to market and help you find success. Let me show you an example of how our approach delivers on this promise. This isn't just talk. Let me tell you how we can actually do this in the real world. So, CISA, they give support to people that are living with disabilities. They want to organize their lives better. We want them to do that as well. So CISA makes a lot of investment in IoT and technology. For example, let's say you're a patient and you're in a wheelchair and you use breathing equipment to stay alive. So normally you have to live near a medical facility because what if something goes wrong, right? So CISA uses IoT-based monitoring and alerting, including wearable sensors, to observe their patient's ongoing medical condition. This way, CISA can spot problems in advance, delivering a higher quality of life, greater degree of freedom for their clients. This is doing a great job. And VMware Pulse specifically helps CISA monitor and secure medical equipment, wheelchairs, oxygen breathing equipment, important things, as well as over-the-air security patches in real time. Now, my friends, there is a giant difference between knowing what you're doing and validating that with real solutions in the field, right? And as I've said, 5G opens us up to a wide new world. It's richer experiences for end users, for providers, and it brings together the best of cloud, the best of mobility. Okay, now this new world, we have to rethink how we do business. Management, integration, security, we have to rethink it. and rethinking the strategy to extend beyond the network core, all the way to the edge, and to other clouds as well. Now, at VMware and Dell Technologies, we've been walking this path for a long time. We've been on this journey. Our hiking boots are on, and we've been learning every step of the way, and we've been bringing folks successfully along with us. So VMware and Dell Technology Solutions, guess what? They're already being deployed at scale successfully in the enterprise. Some of the largest communication service providers in the world. You know the names: Vodafone, Telenor, Verizon, AT&T, just to name a few. But there are many others. Now these CSPs are not just our customers, they're our partners. We're in this together. Our partnership and all these folks in this space lets us innovate together. We're partners. We want to give real-world integrations, right? He knows better than I do. That's right. So we've accelerated rollout with validated, proven solutions for 4G, 5G, IoT, Edge, and end-user devices as well. Now these combined offerings, they give us unmatched levels of security, flexibility, and openness on essential platforms and mission-critical applications. So we can give you security, resiliency, disaster recovery, global support, procurement, all of the above. And I can't say this enough. We're open. We want an open platform, open infrastructure, open networking, disaggregated orchestration, automation. And we want to do this over many multi-cloud management platforms and technologies. That means more choice for CSPs. We love choice. Choice is good. Choice is good. What about Swisscom? They are one of the few communication service providers that owns and operates its own network and data center platform. It's Schweiz. I think I'm saying that correctly. Now, as part of their journey to the cloud, okay, Swisscom empowers its enterprise customers to progressively migrate their infrastructure from private cloud to hybrid to cloud-native environments to make the journey easy. Now, their customers are, many of them are banking and finance. You know, these are very stringent resiliency, dependability, and security requirements. Okay? So you need premium SLAs as well. So after experimenting with a lot of open source technologies, Swisscom was out there. They said, hey, why don't we come to Dell AMC? Why don't we come to Pivotal? Why don't we come to VMware? So we can leverage our best-of-breed solutions to meet their customers' demands. And that's what they did. That's what they did. This joint solution, it enables an elastic global multi-tenant platform that delivers the optimal cost structure, the economics that you need, the elasticity that you need, that Swisscom needed. Okay, now not only that, but they were able to meet or exceed their goals for increased agility and rapid service enablement, while still delivering on the stringent security and resiliency requirements by the banking and finance industry. Okay? That's a big deal. Now, let's be honest. No two paths to 5G will look the same. They're all going to be unique, and they all will have obstacles. They will. That's just the truth. So we want to be a partner that can help you tailor your solution to your needs. We'll help you get there. We'll help you save time and save money by getting there faster. And time is money, and money is time. It's interchangeable. Now, the telco architecture and landscape is going to need to transform. We need a new, highly distributed cloud architecture. We want to take advantage of this multiple points of presence. All right, the asset base that, we would have wireless, wired, or combination, whatever they need. IT, network, and multiple clouds, public, private, hybrid, telco, edge. We want to help everyone. And that all needs to be accessible by any device at any time, and that's what we help you do. Now, to accomplish this, it's going to be critical to support and automate workloads securely. It needs to be secure in a distributed architecture. One quick example. Project Dimension. It's showing you how VMware and Dell AMC are bringing agility and efficiency of the public cloud to the edge because their solutions are test validated. They're pre-integrated. So we can help accelerate your time to successful deployments. That's what we do. We accelerate your times to market and revenue as well. Get into the money faster. And we reduce risk along the way. Take, for example, the Edge data center that's on the Edge today. You can see it right there. It's right behind you guys. There you go. You guys are right next to it. You guys know these numbers? We expect 25 billion or more devices connected to the internet by 2020. Woo! And how about 163 trillion with the T gigs of data by 2025, with over 90% coming from real IoT data. That's crazy. Now, as you know, that's too much data a lot of times to transfer to a data center or to a cloud to process and analyze. So customers want to go to the edge. So our edge data centers incorporate all facets of a traditional data center. We're talking IT, power, cooling, controls, management, and security, all the essentials in the right size, purpose-built solution. We're talking pre-integrated, okay, and it can be placed in almost any environment.